American Oncology Institute Babina Specialty Hospital that National Accreditation Board for Hospital and Healthcare Providers NABHK certificate Pirakle haina Babina Diagnostic Chairman cum Managing Director Dr. Thangjam Dhabali phongdorakli ngasi khabai soida leiba AOI Babina Specialty Hospital pangthokpa paugi mifam amata wafam ase phongdokladuna Dr. Dhabali hai Institute ase komja English ngani shumna kunda nikhatkraba matong NABHK certificate fangnaba akan mamongda khondarakhe Institute ase da thabak toriba staff khudimang na khondatuna NABH ase chahi amagi manungda fangba ngamkhe telaba matam ase ki manungda NABHK accreditation fangba haibase yamna chawthoktaningai gi mikup amane masigi damak institute ase gi staff kumna mapu thagat pa phongdokhe Institute ase na NABHK accreditation fangba ngamliba ase quality management manpower infrastructure hospital building amadi atai leiba department sing ase kupna NABHK team mari mangana survey torba matungda pirakpane Masiga loinana documentation ge achoba tangkak amasu yauke India da NABHK accreditation from hospital ase achoba city khalada leiba natana thoina leite mayam ase gi marakta institute ase su yaurokpa ase Manipuri gi oina chawthok taningai ni masina patient singda hena faba ana laingi khudong chaba piba kamnakane hospital ase da thabak toriba staff khudimak NABHK guidelines manungda thabak torakadaba maramna hospital ase gi performance hena fagatlakane masina patient singda quality service mapung fana pibasu ngamdakane hauzik fawbugi oina hospital ase da cancer layinga mari leinaba infrastructure amasung department sing matik chana leide tha khadagi matungda Manipur ahanba oina bone marrow transplant ge khudong chabasu miyamda fanghalakane NABHK accreditation fangba haibase infrastructure amasung facility matik chana leide haibadu takpade masina hospital amagi thak adu leplibani haina Dr. Thangjam Dhabali makha takhi Amaromda AOI Babina Specialty Hospital the NABHK accreditation fangba loinana International Nurses Day amasung Institute asina NABHK accreditation fangba mari leinana thauram amasung hospital asigi auditorium no pangthokhe thauram aduda Imphal East District ke DC Khumanthem Dainana chief guest Babina Diagnostic ke CMD Dr. Thangjam Dhabali president amade Manipur Nursing Council ke registrar Dr. A Jamuna guest of honor oina sarup yakhe
on which the lady with the lamb, Florence Nightingale, was born. So based on her birthday, we have been celebrating Nurses Day since 1970. And every year there is a theme. And this year's theme is very, very appealing and meaningful. Our nurses, our future. The economic power of cure. This is the theme. I repeat, our nurses, our future, the economic power of cure. So future depends on the performance of nurses because they are the people who are involved in life saving. So also in other activities, not only life saving, but promotion of health, prevention of disease, treatment and cure. In all these activities, nurses are involved. So if you invest today in the training of nurses, it's going to give dividend in the form of economic growth and improvement in the society. That's the meaning of this theme.